Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by saving all work and closing apps. This prevents data loss. Next, open Start and click your profile picture, or press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del and choose Sign Out to immediately end the session. If your goal is only to switch users, Sign Out is enough. But if you plan to remove the account from the laptop entirely, make that choice now, because the next steps diverge. One path logs you out, the other removes account data and sync settings from the device. Once done with the initial sign-out decision, follow the appropriate path. For a quick logout, use Start, click your profile and select Sign Out. That ends your session immediately. If you want the Microsoft account removed from the laptop, open Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Email and Accounts, select the account and choose Remove. This deletes cached credentials and stops sync. Alternatively, make sure to convert to a local account under your info by choosing Sign In with a local account before removing the Microsoft account. To finish, restart the laptop so Windows clears cached credentials and completes account removal procedures. After reboot, verify under Settings, right arrow Accounts that the Microsoft account no longer appears and confirm sync is off. If you converted to a local account, make sure you can log in with the new local password. If things go wrong, for example, the account still appears or sign-in fails, boot to safe mode or run NetBlizz to remove lingering user profiles. This often resolves stubborn account remnants.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.